Adidas has been stepping up their collaboration with pop culture icons in the last few years. We saw the Adidas Dragon Ball Z collaboration, a full suite of sneakers representing different iconic characters from the show. We also saw the Adidas Game of Thrones collaboration. You had sneakers for different houses of the Game of Thrones series, as well as iconic characters and groups of people. And even most recently, they even did like a mini collaboration with Marvel. And well, just a few days ago, they even confirmed that they will be doing a collaboration with the anime series Naruto. Now, they're not slowing down. They're actually coming up with more and more collaborations. So expect to see more sneakers like those in the coming months ahead. But for today, I have a very special treat for you guys. We actually have here the Marvel James Harden Adidas sneaker. This is actually a different colorway to the first James Harden Iron Man which came out. I'd like to call this the Stealth Iron Man edition, but the actual name is just the Harden Marvel sneaker. Let's unbox it, let's do an on feet, and let's check it out. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do take note that we have two ongoing giveaways. We are giving away a Vans WTAPS Skate High Blue Flame sneaker. We're also giving away a Jordan 32 sneaker in collaboration with a fellow sneaker YouTuber, Filipino sneaker YouTuber, Sean Santamaria. The mechanics to the giveaway can be found down below. But to qualify, you have to be subscribed. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Let's jump right into it. So as you guys can see, it comes in this Adidas Marvel comic book style box with prints of different characters from the series all over the box. You have Vision, you have the Winter Soldier, you have Iron Man, you have Groot, you have Black Widow, War Machine, Captain America, Hulk, and yeah, a lot of other characters all over the box. So it's a pretty nice packaging. I kinda didn't dig the fact that, for example, the Adidas Game of Thrones collaboration came with, I don't know, they were in special boxes, but they were just like color black with Game of Thrones printed at the top. But anyway, I like boxes like this one. So if you pop it open, you have an Adidas Marvel tissue paper, your typical, well, collaboration tissue paper, and then you get to the actual shoe. This is the James Harden Volume 3 Marvel sneaker. Now, this is primarily a performance basketball shoe, but the great thing about the colorway and the overall styling is that it is super subtle, that you can actually wear it as your everyday casual athleisure sneaker, and I think that adds to the appeal, and we'll talk about that in a bit. But first, let's go over the different features of the shoe. First, you have that gray, almost like dark metallic upper in leather. It is leather so that it gives you foot containment as well as better foot support. And lastly, durability. All of those elements you need in a good basketball sneaker. Now, you also have the Harden logo here at the tongue tab and the Harden signature at the back of the tongue tab. Now, what makes it Marvel? What makes it Iron Man? What makes it the Stealth Iron Man in your head, Carlo? Well, if you just take a look at the back, in that silver stripe over here by the heel, it says there Stark Industries. Now, the original colorway of this was in your traditional Iron Man colors. It was red, it was gold, and it was loud. Flamboyant, just like James Harden, and to some extent, of course, Tony Stark. This one, I think, is like a War Machine version or a Stealth Iron Man version because, again, it doesn't scream as much for attention. Now, apart from that, you also have this padded tongue over here, and then if you move down, you have this regular, well, not regular, you have your typical Boost midsole, which is built for energy response and, well, cushioning and comfort. And if you move down, you have the herringbone outsole, which is built for superior traction so that if you are on court and if you are moving left and right, sudden movements, you get enough support and ground feel so that you don't slip, which is kind of how Harden usually does his, game these days. So how is it on feet? Well, at the end of the day, it's a great sneaker. It's a great everyday sneaker. It provides excellent cushioning, great support, awesome traction. You can beat it up. It won't get dirty fairly fast. Man, there's really nothing bad to say about it. It's a really well-built shoe. And kudos to Adidas and James Harden and Marvel for coming together to really put together what I think is, well, just a good basketball sneaker that can easily cross over to whatever your casual everyday lifestyle needs are when it comes to, well, a shoe. Perhaps my one concern or one issue with this sneaker is the price. The James Harden Volume 3 Marvel sneaker sells, at least here in the Philippines, for 8,000 pesos. That is roughly 180 US dollars, making it pretty pricey. If you think about it, you're just $20 away from an Adidas Ultra Boost. You're just $10 away from the Ultra Boost with the suede lining along the sides. I forgot what you call that particular model. So it is right up there with the very best when it comes to performance sneakers that Adidas has to offer. Now, obviously, it is pricey for two reasons. Number one, you're paying for the name of James Harden. They did hire him to be the, well, I don't know, the name behind the shoe. And number two, you're paying for the license fees of Marvel to be able to attach here, well, Stark Industries and the Marvel brand. So that actually bumps up the price, which is the reason why it is 8,000 pesos. At the end of the day, guys, if you think about the Boost, it's not really that thick compared to your typical Ultra Boost. So you are paying more for the licenses of the names more than the actual technology that you get with the shoe. And with that in mind, I think one issue that some people might take with this particular sneaker is that it's not loudly Iron Man enough. And if that's your concern, and if you still want the James Harden shoe, then just go for the original colorway with the red and gold, well, design. This one is a little bit more subtle, a little more kind of an everyday shoe. But hey, if you want to scream Iron Man, go for that sneaker instead. So do I recommend the James Harden Volume 3 Marvel or Iron Man sneaker? The answer to that is yes. It's a great everyday shoe. It's a great basketball sneaker. But again, the only caveat, guys, is that it is pricey. The good side though, because of the color, because of the overall build, you can get a lot of wear out of it, at least in my head, compared to the loud red Iron Man sneaker with the previous model or the colorway. So yeah, if you're looking for a basketball athleisure shoe that you can wear almost every day, check this out. Now, if you can't afford it just yet, make sure to check out all the ways to be able to afford a discount on Adidas sneakers. You can check out Zalora codes. You can check out, well, the Shopback app so that you get some money back if you buy online. And of course, if you're a member of the Three Stripes Club over at Adidas here in the Philippines, you might be able to use some of the vouchers that you have stored to be able to bring down the price. This one usually retails for 8,000 pesos here in the Philippines. I was able to get it down to around 6,000, I think 800 or 6,600 with the vouchers that I was able to save up as being part of the Three Stripes program for Adidas Philippines. And that wraps up our review for the day. Now, if you guys are looking for a regular power-up words of wisdom, it's really hard to do that every day because I have to seriously think about what I want to share with you guys on the channel for that particular segment. So as much as I would want to do it every day, realistically, I think I can only do it like 3 times a week or 3 to 4 times a week. Maybe sometimes I can do it for several days straight, but I really can't guarantee that it will be there every single time. So I don't want to force it. If there's no like strong message that I can bring to you guys, I won't force it just yet. So watch out for the power-up words of wisdom that should be coming back though in tomorrow's video. And before we end the vlog, some of you have been asking who won the raffles for the Nike Element React 87 and the other 2 sneakers. Guys, I posted the winners on my Instagram account. If you haven't followed me yet, please do follow me there. Unfortunately, the IG story already died because yeah, it kind of fades out after 24 hours. So I will be sharing now the winners on this video. Congratulations to the winners, and again, a quick reminder to all of you guys, we are doing another giveaway, so make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. And with that said, I hope you guys are all having a great week. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.